Most of you have heard the buzz around retinol, how it's practically a miracle ingredient for youthful, smooth, clear skin. Maybe you've even tried it yourself, and if you're like most people, you've also experienced this. You start excited. You apply it for a week or two. Then, here it comes, the redness, the flaking, the irritation. Suddenly your face feels tight and sensitive. You back off. You tell yourself, maybe I'll just use it once a week. Then once a week becomes, not at all. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Retinol works. It's clinically proven to improve fine lines, wrinkles, texture, pigmentation, and even pore size. But there's a catch. You only see those results if you use it correctly and consistently. In this video, I'm going to walk you through why retinol is one of the most important ingredients in skincare, the real reasons people fail with it, and it's not just sensitive skin. Step-by-step plan to get all the benefits with minimal irritation. Advanced pro tips for faster, better results. Myths that waste your time or even hurt your skin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use retinol in a way that works with your skin, not against it. I'm Dr. Your name, a board-certified dermatologist/plastic surgeon/skincare specialist, with over 20 years helping patients achieve healthy, youthful skin. Section 1. Why retinol deserves the hype. Retinol is part of the vitamin A family. When applied to your skin, enzymes convert it into retinoic acid, the active form that communicates directly with skin cells. Here's what happens at a cellular level. Fibroblasts, your collagen-making cells, get stimulated, producing more collagen, and elastin pigment-producing cells calm down, so dark spots fade. Skin cell turnover speeds up, revealing fresh, healthy cells faster. The outer skin layer thickens in a healthy way, so skin looks plumper and firmer. Translation: fewer fine lines and wrinkles, brighter, more even skin tone, smoother texture, and smaller looking pores. And it's not just marketing hype. Retinoids are the most studied anti-aging ingredient in dermatology, with decades of high-quality research to back them up. Section 2. Why most people fail with retinol. If retinol is so good, why do so many people give up? Over the years, I've noticed 5 main reasons. 1. Starting too strong. Jumping into a high-strength prescription or 1% retinol is like running a marathon without training. Your skin barrier gets overwhelmed, inflammation spikes, and you end up quitting before results show. Point 2. Confusing purging with a bad reaction. Purging equals temporary breakout from increased cell turnover. Irritation equals stinging, burning, redness, flaking. Point 1 is temporary and a sign of progress. The other means your skin barrier is compromised. Many people confuse the two and stop unnecessarily. Point 3. Inconsistent use. Retinol works by constant stimulation. If you use it 2 nights, skip 5, then restart, you're not keeping fibroblasts active. Point 4. Product overload. Layering strong acids, scrubs, or harsh cleansers with retinol is like throwing a party for irritation. Point 5. Neglecting barrier support. A healthy skin barrier equals less irritation. If you don't pair retinol with soothing, hydrating ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, you're asking for trouble. Section 3. The right way to start retinol. Step 1. Choose the right formula. Look for 0.25% to 0.5%. Retinol for beginners. Encapsulated or slow-release formulas for gentler delivery. Added barrier support ingredients: niacinamide, ceramides, peptides. Step 2. Frequency. Start with 2 to 3 nights per week. Give your skin time to adjust before moving to nightly use. Step 3. The sandwich method. Moisturizer. Retinol moisturizer. Again, this cushions the impact and slows absorption, reducing irritation. Step 4. Avoid conflicting products at first. Pause. Strong acids, AHAs, BHAs, glycolic, salicylic. Be cautious with vitamin C in the same routine. Use vitamin C AM, retinol PM. Section 4. Advanced tips for faster, better results. Split dosing. Use a tiny amount AM and PM for gentler delivery. Microdosing. Use pea-sized amounts every night instead of large amounts twice a week. Mix with moisturizer. If skin is very sensitive, blend with moisturizer for extra buffer. Cycle with peptides. On non-retinol nights, use peptides to support collagen building. Use a humidifier. Prevents excessive dryness while skin adjusts. Section 5. The retinol timeline. Knowing what to expect keeps you from quitting. Weeks 1 to 2, mild dryness, flaking possible. Barrier adjusting, weeks 3 to 6, texture improves, tone even slightly. Weeks 6 to 12, collagen stimulation kicks in, fine lines begin to fade. Point 3, 6 months, noticeable firmness, smoothness, glow. Point 12 plus months, significant anti-aging and skin health benefits. Compound. Section 6. Myths that need to die. Stop retinol in summer. Nope. Just use sunscreen diligently. High strength equals better results, not if you can't tolerate it. Consistency beats strength. You have to take breaks. The more consistent, the better. Retinol thins the skin, it actually thickens the dermis, which is where you want strength. Section 7. barrier support ingredients to pair with retinol. These are game changers. Niacinamide reduces redness, strengthens skin barrier. ceramides replenish skin's natural fats. Panthenol soothes irritation. Peptides support collagen synthesis. Hyaluronic acid hydrates without heaviness. Section 8. Retinol versus prescription. Tretinoin. Retinol equals gentler, OTC, must be converted in skin to retinoic acid. Tretinoin equals prescription, direct retinoic acid, faster but more irritating. Bottom line, if you can use tretinoin daily without irritation, great. But most people will see better results long-term with a gentler formula they can stick to daily. Section 9. Long-term retinol success formula. Choose the right strength and formulation. Start slow, increase gradually. Support your barrier with hydration and soothing actives. Avoid overexfoliation. Protect with sunscreen daily. Commit for at least 6 months before judging results. Retinol is not just another skincare trend. It's one of the most powerful, well-researched ingredients we have to fight premature aging. But it's not magic in a week, it's a relationship you build with your skin. Section 10. Common retinol mistakes I see every week. Even after explaining the basics, I still see people making the same avoidable mistakes, using way too much. More isn't better. A pea-sized amount is enough for your whole face. Applying to damp skin, this speeds absorption and increases irritation. Always apply to dry skin. Skipping sunscreen, retinol makes skin more sun-sensitive. Skipping SPF erases your progress. Only treating the face, your neck, chest, and hands. Age 2. Extend your skincare there. Quitting during purging, this phase passes. Don't stop before you see the reward. Section 11. How to layer retinol in a routine. If you're overwhelmed about where retinol fits into your skincare, night routine. Example, gentle cleanser, hydrating toner or mist, optional, barrier support serum, niacinamide or peptides, retinol, pea-sized, moisturizer optional, occlusive balm in dry climates. Pro tip, if you're adding new actives, stagger their introduction so you can identify what causes irritation. Section 12. Retinol for different skin types. Oily skin, retinol helps regulate oil and keep pores clear. You may tolerate higher strength faster. Dry skin, start slow. Sandwich method is a must, and always use rich moisturizers. Sensitive skin, encapsulated or low-strength formulas work best. Buffer every application. Acne-prone skin, retinol clears pores and reduces post-acne marks, but purging may be more noticeable. Section 13. Signs you're using retinol correctly. Mild, short-lived dryness that resolves with moisturizer. Gradual improvement in tone, texture, and clarity. Minimal to no stinging when applied. Consistent use without feeling the need to take breaks. No worsening of pigmentation or persistent redness. If you're seeing extreme peeling, burning, or swelling, that's not part of the normal adjustment and means your routine needs tweaking. Section 14. The retinol plus lifestyle connection. Your skincare isn't operating in isolation. If you want your retinol results to really shine, nutrition, antioxidant-rich foods, berries, leafy greens, healthy fats, help your skin repair faster. Sleep, collagen production peaks at night. 7 to 8 hours is non-negotiable. Stress management. Chronic stress can delay skin healing and cause inflammation. Hydration, well-hydrated skin handles retinol much better. Follow these steps, be patient, and you will not only avoid the frustration most people experience, you'll unlock the glowing, healthy skin you've always wanted.